最近的你是不是累了 ？Have you been tired lately？ 生活总有太多的无奈 ，Too many helpless things in life。今天我们先把工作放下 ，Let's put down our work today。摸摸手里温暖的泥土 ，Touch the warm soil in hands。把这盆小绿植带回家 ，Bring this little plant home。放在阳光刚好的窗台 ，Place it on the sunny windowsill。看着叶片慢慢的舒展 ，Watching the leaves gently unfold。好像心也被温柔治愈 ，Like the heart is healed gently。这盆需要常常晒太阳吗 ？Does this need much sunlight？ 它是不是也害怕孤单 ？Is it also afraid of being lonely？ 每天都要记得浇点水 ，Remember to water it every day。就想好好照顾你自己 ，Just like taking good care of yourself。生活步调慢慢变缓慢 ，The pace of life slows down。把所有烦恼统统忘掉 ，Forget about all the worries。在这点安静的小角落 ，In this quiet little corner， 我们一起静静地长大。We grow up quietly together。不需要走得太过匆忙 ，No need to rush too fast。每朵花都有它的期许 ，Every flower has its hope。生活偶尔也要留点白 ，Leave some blank spaces in life。看着它就觉得很安心 ，Looking at it feels so safe。静静享受这专属时光 ，Quietly enjoy this exclusive time。觉得孤单的时候